Welcome back everyone to the channel. I'm Vilp and this is the OnePlus 8T, which launched last week, and today we have it for the unboxing. This is the version that comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. This is not available in our region. It is available in Europe and some other region, for here in Europe for 600 euros. But if you want, you can also get this phone with 256GB of storage, and that one has 12GB of RAM and is available in all the regions. They all come with Snapdragon 865. Now let's go and open the box. So we get some paperwork and stickers here. That's quite standard in OnePlus unboxings. And then inside the box we have this generic case that comes with OnePlus phones, and also we get a new charger. So this is a fast charger. It's something new that we get for the first time on OnePlus phones. This is 65 watts and OnePlus claims will fully charge the phone in 39 minutes, and that is super fast. I think I'm looking forward to test that, so make sure you're a subscriber and don't miss that one. Now let's go and have a look at the phone itself. This one is the Lunar silver color. The frame of this color is a bit shiny and it's not matte. On the right we get the OnePlus silent switch and the power button, and on the left we have the volume rocker, and at the bottom we have the speaker, USB port and the SIM card slot. On top we only get another microphone, and that's it. But now let's have a look at the back of the phone. On the back we have this new silver bluish color. It's matte and I really like this color and this finish. It has a great feeling, it's soft, and this is actually my favorite color in the OnePlus 8T model. The camera module is also different in 8T. So this is the first time we get this kind of squared camera module on the OnePlus phones, and overall the phone looks and feels really good. The feeling is not as premium as the 8 Pro, I can easily say that, but I would say it is still a very good looking phone. The display also is not curved, it's flat, which I like, and I think it's better to move towards this design. Let me know what you think about that. Anyhow, let's go and put this up. So here we have it. This display is Full HD, it's 120 Hz and it's quite bright. So the brightness is very good. The colors are vibrant, and we also get the latest Android and Oxygen OS on this device, so Android 11. And let me actually go and grab the OnePlus 8 Pro. So OnePlus 8 Pro is a bigger phone for sure, and I think it definitely looks and feels more premium. The design of these two phones are quite different, so they are definitely different in terms of design, and the display is also, I think, better on the 8 Pro. You can easily see that. It's sharper and it's also brighter. And I will do some comparison between these two and also the Samsung S20 Fan Edition, both in terms of how they feel and also the camera. If there is anything else that you want me to actually do more comparison, let me know in the comments below. And lots of new videos are coming, so make sure you're a subscriber and you don't miss them when they are up. But this is it for now, and thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.